All right, guys, what is going on? Yeah, we went to the track on Saturday. I wasn't sure about posting this video because obviously it was not a good day. We still having issues. I'm going to post it anyway, show you guys what's going on, and hopefully we can get it resolved as soon as possible. As you're going to know in the video, I was not happy the first run. I was furious. You're going to hear me cursing, yelling, and not doing that. But yeah, guys, so hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, this is what went down.
There can't be two Alpha Titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
There's something provoking into war.
All right, guys, what is going on? We are back at Cecil County Dragway with Kong. What's the goal? Go for that 10. We have an updated trans tune to hopefully fix the issue we had last time. We were hitting limiter in first gear. We got an updated trans tune. Hopefully that fixes it. Traction was good last time. Hopefully that stays this way. And yeah, guys, we're just great weather. It's good weather. It's like 60 degrees out, 1000 DA, really good. But the goal is always to try and go out and get that 10. Everything's ready. Put the center console out. So we are ready to go, guys. Ready to go. Track intake is on. Tire pressure set. As you can see, center console is actually out this time. So that's about extra 30, 35 pounds. We actually came on the stocks, changed it out because we had a blowout last time. So we didn't take the risk of driving here on the Hoosiers. So we just drove on the stocks, changed them all out. And bam, yeah. Awesome stuff here to help. Go. So we're ready to go, guys. Hopefully we can go out and get that 10, and I'll see you guys in a little bit after we make that first pass. All right. As you can see, I'm fucking frustrated because it keeps hitting the limiter. I'm hooking. This is like I'm getting fucking mad now. Still did a 1.560 foot and I fucking hit limiter, dude. I was at fucking 10. I'm beyond pissed off right now. As you can see, I'm yelling. I'm mad because this has been over a year. I can't make a friggin' pass in my truck, guys, and I'm getting more frustrated with everything. So I don't even know if I want to even race again right now. So yeah, I'll get back with you. All right, guys, I just saw my frustration, and you know, after that pass, because it's been doing the same thing, I contacted Jay. We got another new tune. We're going to try something different this time, because what's happening from what it looks like from him and my standpoint is just we're flashing, the converter is just flashing way too high. It's not having enough time. So we're going to try load on the converter a little bit this time. And he gave me another new trans tune to try out and see if it helps. So that's all I can do is go from there and hopefully get a clean pass, because I'm frustrated. I'm mad, as you can tell before. And yeah, so hopefully we get a nice clean pass, and that's all I want is a clean pass. Good?
I'm good.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy coming sneaking my truck over here. Look at this guy over here. Look, he's going to take a nap. Take a nap while we're waiting. Like, you know, this is what I got to deal with, guys.
I got about an hour.
Yeah, we got like an hour. We got to put the windows back down because it's getting hot here. All right, guys. After next pass, hopefully we do good. Alright guys, well, same thing, limiter. Even with the new tune, lowered the shifts, it's doing the same thing. I even tried to ease into it so it didn't hit as hard. Thank you. I still did a 157 hitting limiter. And we hooked even better that run. It felt actually hooked even better. As soon as that first gear shift comes around, it just doesn't, I don't know. Frustrating. It is what it is, guys. As you can tell, the first run I was very frustrated. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get a second run. It's so packed here. It's taking hours in between races. So, and I have to park up anyway. I got to sit and wait. So we'll see what happens. I may be able to get another run in, maybe not. Very upset, very frustrating that I don't know what to do. So me and Jay got to do some talking, and we're going to go through some things. And yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. Either I'm going to get another run in, or I'm going to get back with you guys in a little bit. And yeah, oh well. Frustrating, very frustrating thing. It hooked even better too.
What was the 60?
157, and it's shifting. It's hitting limiter before I even get to the 60. It's not done. So if that shifts, it's going to be like a 145. I've done 1.4s, they're my best, but very frustrating. Wait 3 weeks to a month just to get out, and I can't even make a pass. I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know if I'm staying or going. Alright, well, yeah, as you can see, 2 passes, nothing went good. I didn't even do an outro. I wasn't even sure if I was going to make this video. But I figured, you know what, man, let me get some content out there. Very unhappy that I waited 3 weeks and still had the same issue. And the funny thing is, everyone's talking about my tuner and this and that. This was the exact trans tune that we had no issues with when we were dead hooking and booking last year, when we were running like 11 O's on the conservative 93 tune, and it only came issues when we turned it up. And even when I put the conservative 93 tune on, it's still doing it on the exact same trans tune. So I don't know exactly what's going on with that. I hope we can get this resolved fixed, me and Jay. Hoping to get it resolved fixed before I even hit the track. I don't want to go back out to the track and have the same issue and getting more frustrated. I'm hoping when I can go back out to the track, then deal with and then when we're hooking. So what I'm thinking about trying is some launches in the street with 4-wheel drive while we're like testing it before we hit the track, and hopefully we can get that and get that resolved before we can get back out there, man. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully we can get out to the track soon and get that 10. Peace.